So this is the first day of demolition of the house. This entire this entire carport was full of debris and other stuff that they hauled away, including all the walls. You can see all the way clear back there. The very farthest wall is the master bathroom. So all of this drywall didn't get taken, but all of this stuff's getting trashed. They asked me about the fireplace, and I don't know about the fireplace, if they're going to take it out and put another one in or what, but that's a question I have to ask and answer, not only myself, but for the contractors. Still got a little bit of cleanup for myself in the kitchen, find out what I'm going to save, including the dishes and stuff, but all these books got smoke damaged so bad the pages are all soot covered. So they're going away. This is the interior wall of the hallway, which is the exterior wall of the first bedroom. Closet. Didn't get to that room yet. So this is the first small bedroom, which you can't see too well because it's too bright coming out of that window. Second bedroom, I'm just going to walk through where the wall used to be. That was the most bizarre wall. I think I took pictures of it when I first moved in. Why they wanted it green, two different colored green stripes, I have no idea. But anyway, one of these walls, maybe that one, has a drawing on it too. So one of the occupants was an artist of some sort. It's a fist. Oh, and there's stuff written on the fist. I didn't notice that before. Looks like they wrote something on the knuckles, including whatever that says. Looks like a date, but I can't tell because I don't have my glasses on. Anyway, little fist on that wall, drawn in pencil. Oops, taking that with me. Didn't do much in the bathroom, but they did haul everything away. This is the second bathroom. This wall, that's the closet for the second bedroom. This wall is going to come towards me by 3 feet or so to the same place where that closet door is. They're going to take the closet out and move that entire wall that way. So in the master bedroom, I can finally see in here since they took the boards off the window. That wall over there is getting moved into the master bathroom. So these cabinets are coming, well, everything's coming out, but the cabinets and that big bathtub is coming out. They're going to take the shower from that wall over there, because that wall's the one that's coming this way, which means probably they're going to also, because half of the hallway is going to come this way, that wall over there is going to come into the smaller bedroom, making that bedroom smaller, but the master bedroom bigger. So that one may or may not be the art studio. I haven't decided yet. Because what I'm thinking of doing, if I have the money, is I'm thinking of taking out that closet and moving it to this wall over here, the wall that I'm peeking through right now, and then putting French doors in on that wall and making this room the studio. So at least that's the current plan. Maybe they'll split the difference and move this wall that's in front of me. I'll talk to the contractor tomorrow, but maybe they can split those two rooms, make that one the smaller of the two, take the closet out of there, make that the studio, because if this wall over here is coming this way, that it's going to come right flush with the closet, and that's going to be a really tiny room. So maybe they'll somehow split the difference between these two and move this wall that way a little bit, if it doesn't cost too much. Again, I keep saying that because I have a very limited budget. I may only have the amount of budget possible for just basically redoing everything, putting the walls back up. But I'll talk to the contractor tomorrow and find that out. So that's what it looks like. Fireplace, etc. Yay, first day done.